Welcome, my dear students. Today I am before you with note making, a part of writing skills for class 11th, part 1. Note making is not a new word for you. You have been making notes from lower classes, but you never knew its format and the exact way of making it. It is a part of our syllabus in class 11th and it is very important to learn. There will be two questions based on it. One is note making and the other is summary writing. So it is a very interesting thing. It is very useful also. Let us begin how to make notes. And how to make notes. Along with this, there is one more question: why to make notes? Note making is very advanced writing skill, and due to knowledge explosion nowadays, its importance is increasing day by day. So there is a need to remember the important points of any subject. It is also a very complex activity, and for this you need some skills. Before I start why and how, you can see one sample. This sample is very important. You can see there is a heading, headline, title, then two main headings, 1, 2, subheading, subheading, but all these are written in a different way. Can you see? Number 1, subheading, it has two subheadings, and after that 2 subheading, and then subpoint. So there is a zigzag manner, so that you will have to follow. And you need not to write any complete sentence. All should be in phrases or words. Mostly note making is made on only one page, along with the key like GOV, government, INFO, information. So everything should be in one page, and this one page you might have made after reading 3 or 4 pages. So it is the shortest way of the content part, and with the help of this shortest way you can remember 3, 4, 5 pages. A note making skill improves when you do practice. There are many advantages. Let us see some of them. So number 1, exams or academic writing. There it is very helpful. In this way we organize main points, which is fruitful in future. This is actually a good way to keep your information handy. In past, whatever you have learned, that you can recollect, you can recall. Your understanding power, your concentration, all these things, it is helpful in. Note making format is also important. It helps a writer to go through a lot of documents in a very quick manner. If the notes are in your own words, definitely it would be helpful for you to understand. And at last, what are the main points, what are the details, all these things it distinguishes. Now comes the procedure, and this is very important because the procedure only will help you how to make a correct note. So the first important thing is read the passage. Means the topic, the content on which you have to make notes, you have to read it thoroughly. And at the time of reading only, underline the important sentence words. These important sentences words will become heading or subheading when you will be writing note making. Then make a rough note. Before making final one, make a rough note and see the logical order or sequence is there or not. If not, then organize it. Everything should be written in the proper format. The idea or the message of the passage should be according to the text you have read. It should not be different from that. Some points to remember. Avoid long sentences. Use phrases or words, okay, for the heading or title. Never lose the main idea of the passage. Less important ideas, points should be ignored. Always be brief, clear and specific. The sequence of your thought should be logical, and there is no space for confusions. Leave no space to avoid confusion. Do not include your own version or understandings. You need not to give your own thoughts there. Don't include it. Use short forms, abbreviations. And at your home or while making the class, you can use colors, drawings also. But in exams it is not possible practically, so you can avoid colors and drawings, but symbols are very important there. So I hope you have understood many of the things. In the next part, how to make them, we will learn more about it. And I have a thought for you. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. So do not wait for doing or showing your best in the next episode. Okay? So this was the beginning part of note making part 1. Thank you.